You just remodeled your bathroom and it's gleaming white. You may have discovered a problem by now. Let's talk about it. I'm Doug Walker. Welcome to the Roominess Design Files. If you have a gleaming white bathroom, anything that you put into that room that has color in it is suddenly going to become the focal point of that room, even if it's your toothbrush. So what do we do about this? First, you can make sure that you have a place to put away everything in your bathroom so that anything that you use gets put away and does not become a focal point in your room. Second, you can add some kind of texture to the room to help break up the gleaming white. And that can be towels, that can be curtains, it could be wood grains such as gray wood grains or whitewashed wood, or even a woven basket. The third thing that you can do is use the gleaming white bathroom to your advantage. If you have a piece of art or sculpture that is beautiful and you love it, you want to show it off, put it in that gleaming white bathroom, and just like an art gallery, it will look brilliant. If you'd like to up your interior design game, or to help spread the word, hit the share and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching.